Okay, let's get into this. First, go to the Start menu, then type in Control, and from the menu choose Control Panel. If not already in small icon mode, go up to View by Menu, drop down and change it to small icons. From there, choose Mail 32-bit. Click Add and then type in a name for the profile. It can be any name, doesn't matter. Click OK. Okay, here you need to click Manually Configure Server Settings or Additional Server Types and click Next. Then choose Microsoft Exchange or Compatible Service, then click Next. In the server, type in outlook.office365.com, and then in the username, type in your email address that's associated with the account you're setting up. Before you do anything else, click on More Settings. Go to the Security tab and click the drop-down box at the bottom and change it to Anonymous Authentication. Then click Apply and click on the Connection tab. Here, go to the Outlook Anywhere option and tick the tick box Connect to Outlook Exchange using HTTP, and then click Exchange Proxy Settings. Change the proxy authentication settings to basic authentication, and then tick all the tick boxes, and in the top box type in outlook.office365.com, and in the second box type in mssTD:outlook.com. Click OK. Click OK. Now click Check Name. Here you will be prompted for the username and password for the account. Remember to click the tick box Remember My Credentials. The username should be the same as what was typed in earlier, and then type in the password for the account. Then click OK. The server will change to something similar to what is shown on the screen. That's perfectly normal and not a problem. So then click Next and click Finish. Then click OK and close the window. Now go to the Start menu again and type in Out. That should bring up, on Windows 10 at least, should bring up the Microsoft Outlook 2010. Basically, you're just looking to open Outlook. So open Outlook for the first time. Sometimes it will prompt you again for your username and password. Just remember to click the Remember Password tick box and type in the username and password that are associated with the account. It will take a second to set up. You will get this message about setting up a local copy of your mailbox. That's perfectly normal. Basically, that's just a offline copy of all your emails for when you're offline from the internet and want to reply to some emails. These emails will stay in the outbox until you're reconnected to the internet. This will download all your existing emails and contacts and calendar appointments that are up in the account already from previous usage. And then we have it. That's it. That's Outlook 2010 connected to Office 365's Exchange server. Thanks for watching. Press subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. If you have any requests, please type them in the comments below or send me an email. Be good and have fun.